Cars C1 and C2 travel to a place at a speed of 30 and 45 km per hour respectively. If car C2 takes 2.5 hours less time than C1 for the journey, the distance of the place is. Okay, so there is car 1 and there is car 2. We are given the speeds of the car 1 and car 2. It is 30 and 45 km per hour respectively. So speed of car 1 is 30, speed of car 2 is 45. Now, if car 2 takes 2.5 hours less time than C1 for the journey. So let's say C1 takes time t to complete the journey, then C2 takes t minus, it takes 2.5 hours less. So 2.5 hours is equals to what? 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So car C2 takes 5 by 2 hours less than C1. So C1 takes t, then C2 will take t minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 hours, right? Now we know that distance is equals to speed into time. Here distance traveled by C1 and distance traveled by C2 both are equal. So that means d here is constant. So that means from this we can imply that S1 T1 is equals to S2 T2. S1 here being 30, 30 into T1 is just T is equals to S2 is 45 into T2 is T minus 5 by 2. T minus 5 by 2. Alright, let's solve this. We get 5 6 are 5 9s are. So we are left with 6t is equals to 9. Let's take the LCM here. It is 2. So 2t minus 5. So this 2 goes on the left hand side and gets multiplied with 6. So 6 2 is 12t is equals to 9 2s are 18t minus 9 5s are 45. This 45 goes on the left hand side. So we get 45 is equals to 18t minus 12t is 60. So we get our answer. T is equals to 45 by 6, or we can say that it is 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So it is 15 by 2 hours. Okay, and the question is asking us to find out the distance here. So now let's take the case of car 1 here. Okay, we know that distance is equals to speed into time. Okay, speed here of car 1 is 30 and t we just calculate it, which is 15 by 2. So 15 by 2, 2 15s are. So we get our distance, which is 15 into 15, which is equals to 225 kilometers, and this is our required answer. So here option D is the correct one.